Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Benny and I'm on a journey of growing my natural hair. I share DIYs of how I've been growing my hair, and I also share DIYs of skincare, so please just hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be making herbal oil for hair growth, and these are the two leaves that we'll be using: parsley leaf and mint leaf, which scent leaf. So these are the other herbs that we'll be using, and this is 2 tablespoons of black seed. Black seed helps to maintain the scalp and moisturizes the scalp as well, leaving the hair and the scalp healthy. So the next one is fenugreek seed. This is also 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seed, and fenugreek seed helps to reduce hair loss, helps to clear dandruff, and it also promotes hair growth. And the next herbs that we'll be using is rosemary leaves. Rosemary leaves help to stimulate blood circulation to the scalp. It helps to grow barrenness. It helps to prevent dandruff as well. So the next herb we'll be using is coriander powder. Here is also 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, and coriander powder helps to stimulate hair growth and it also prevents hair loss. The next ingredient is cumin seeds. Cumin seeds help to treat any type of scalp issues such as dandruff. It helps to stimulate hair growth and also give your hair shine and softness. So these are all the herbs that we'll be using to make this herbal hair growth oil. So I'm just going to mix them together and add them to the leaves that we blended before. So I'm just going to add them to my blender, and I will be blending them with my olive oil and sunflower oil. So just add enough quantity that will blend the all ingredients together. So here is all the ingredients blended together: the scent leaf, the parsley leaf, and all the other herbs that I mentioned before. So I let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, and here is it after it has cooled off, and I will just strain out the oil. So after straining it, I'm just going to transfer the oil into my applicator bottle. So guys, here's our oil. It's ready to be used, and you can use this 3 times a week, and you can also add it to your deep conditioner. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also if you're new to my channel or you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button and also on the notification bell beside this, so whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you. Bye. Stand fast, therefore, in liberty wherewith Christ hath made us free, and be not entangled again with the yoke of bondage. Galatians 5.